Okay, back out here working again today on the sawmill. We just picked out a new blade. We decided to use this one's called a double hard. Is that what they call them?
Yes.
They call them a double hard blade. It's a wood miser blade. So that's the blade we're gonna swap it out for. The old one we think got a little dull. It started making the boards warped. We're just hoping it's just that thing that's making the boards warp. We tried to get a new bearing for this because this does not spin at all. Could not get any bearings. Weird size. That's how it's supposed to spin. So we're just gonna put that blade on this, and then we're gonna try cutting this oak log. This is gonna be turned into the 4x4 beams for that trailer right there. Okay, we fixed it now. This thing spins right. We swapped the two bearings that were over here. Both bearings came off this and went into that one, and now it spins perfectly fine. Gonna keep working on this now. We just gotta put the blade on. He watched the video on how to put it on, so we're gonna put the blade on the way you're supposed to put it on and how you're supposed to align it. Yep, we'll do that. Okay, let's put this blade back on, or the new blade on.
On the bottom down there. Can you hold it in there? Your side goes over the roll, right?
Just push it. Just push the whole handle in. Or
oh yeah, okay. Seems okay. In everywhere. Wow, that's tough.
well, yeah, because you got no working bearing.
Okay. It's in. Yeah, so spin it by hand.
Oh yeah, I see it auto aligning. The bottom stuff.
That one may not be out enough there. Well, he said 7/16.
Well, we'll get back to you when we're done with all this leveling and setting. Oh, you finished all that? Well, that's all set up. We're all done with that. Now it's time to set off. Clean the log before we cut it. Punky.
Now what?
I guess we lift it.
Well, are we in position yet?
Yeah. Let's want to just do it like that.
Yep. Then we can get our things in it. Alright, now you want me to
What?
measure it up?
You can. Okay, the height of the log's all set. We got it set to where we want it. It's all held in. That thing started up ridiculously quick as it always does. Just about ready to cut when that thing warms up. We're gonna cut 1 inch down. We also made some small adjustments to the thing just so that, I don't know, there's a little black thing that holds the blade in between the roller. So we're hoping that might fix it. We don't think it was that, but you know. Let's cut. just gonna do a little skim cut to see if we can level it all off, because it's still a little wavy. Okay, that's what we're gonna cut this side for now. It's still a little wavy, but it's not horrible. Just remember, it might want to roll back. Okay.
Okay.
Definitely very punky on the other side. You can see a lot of the punk. Oh, and there it goes. Whoa, whoa.
All right, go to the other side. Want me to slide it more? Okay. You want me to shift? Ready? Ready? Ooh. Did it get jammed?
I get it. Okay, log's all flipped, all set. Just gonna cut. Okay, we got this log cut down to what we're gonna do for tonight, and we're gonna come back tomorrow and do the rest of the cutting. I got all this stuff because it might rain tonight, and we don't wanna get all this stuff wet. So, I guess see you in the morning. Once again, we're back cutting this piece of wood again. This 4x4, what's gonna turn into a 4x4. No idea how long it's been since we last did this. I think it's been like 2 weeks since we last worked on this, so it's just been sitting here. Still looks pretty good. Still got its rot in the corner. Pretty muddy. Just gotta take all this stuff off and then start cutting.
We'll let it warm up.
Yeah. Okay, that cut well. Slow but well. Okay, we're gonna take this thing off. Yeah, I cut this one right to 4. Cut this one 4. Because we cut the top, we already flattened off the top. Might as well just flatten off the bottom too. Plus the bottom's got a lot of junk on it I don't want. flipped over. Got these two here. That's the perfect slab. The one on the bottom is gonna get 2 imperfection slabs, 1 perfect slab. This one we're planning to get 2 perfect slabs out of. 1, 2. That's all gonna be a junk slab. I mean, no, junk 4x4. What am I talking about? 2 good 4x4s, 1 junk one. We're still gonna use it for stuff though. Okay, well, you're not gonna be able to see much more for tonight. So, tomorrow morning, if it's not raining, I'll show you what we got out of this thing. See you tomorrow or whenever we next do this wood project. Alright, if you made it to this part in the video, thanks for watching. Well, I didn't record that video the next day. I missed out. It's been about, I don't know, 6 months or something. Yeah, about 6 months. It's July right now, and we've had these 4x4s for a little while now. So I think it's about time that I show you. So here they are. They've been in our trailer for a while. So we got all these 4x4s here. They're still here. They've been drying. They sat in a horse trailer for a little while. Nothing bad or nothing. They got a little wet and stuff, so we moved them in here. So here's what they all look like. Actually, these are ashes right here. The 4 oak ones are down there on the bottom there. They are heavy. Very, very heavy. So yeah, if you wanted to see those results, there they are. I think it's better from the other side. Yeah, there they are. They're the oak 4x4s. Not perfect, but we like them. A little bit cracked, you know, down there, but you know, that's not too big a deal. Some of them are really, really good. I can't wait to actually use them on the trailer we're planning on using them for. And I'm definitely going to do a video on that so you guys can see that. Well, anyway, thanks for watching. That's all for this video. See you in the next one.